everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mel. For those of you who don't know me, this video will be probably like my 10th video or something like that. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Mel's Makeup Tutorial on YouTube. On Instagram, my name is _Mel Makeup Tutorials, and on Twitter it's _Mel Makeup. So this video will be a little different. I've never done a video on skincare routine. I decided to do this video because a lot of you commented in my other videos saying that my makeup looks really pretty, and the base of having a nice makeup is to have nice skin. So my skin type is oily a little, so it gets oily like on my forehead, my nose, a little bit right here, but the rest of my skin is pretty dry. So like I have to like find a good routine for me, and it took a while. So first of all, every morning I wash my face with this Cetaphil oily skin cleanser, and it's for acne prone skin. So this is for face only. I'm not saying, I don't know if you guys want to use it on your body. I don't think it's wrong, but I mean this is for skin and, well, the face, skin obviously, it's for face. So what I do is that I take about 1 pump of Cetaphil, so it comes in a pump, which I love. So I take about a pump, but first make sure you wash your hands. So after washing your hands, I take a pump of Cetaphil soap, I wash my face, and then I'm gonna use a clean towel just to dab a bit of the water on my face. Then after, since Cetaphil is not made to take out makeup, but it does, so let's say you have a little bit of makeup on, that's the same routine I do at night also. It's not only for morning, I do morning and night. To maintain healthy skin, you have to have a routine. That's why it's called a skincare routine. So then I take a little sponge like this that you could buy at the drugstore. And since I have lashes extensions, I have to be careful. I don't use this Cetaphil exactly on my eyes, so it's not like I'm gonna rub everything and not look. I'm gonna use like a little, my hands, or I have a little like sponge that's made to wash your face, and I'm gonna use it all around, and I'm gonna go slowly, but not like really in my eye, because eyelashes extension cannot like they fall if you use oily products. So, and there is a little oil inside Cetaphil, but it doesn't matter, like my skin, I love it. Anyway, so then to take out my makeup, I use this Marcel 3-in-1 micellar solution. So I shake it a little, and then it comes out probably like this, and when you open it, it's a little pump. So I use my cotton and I pump about 3 pumps. Then I go in and I go slowly. I start on my eyes because obviously if I wear eyeliner or whatever, well, it's gonna be there. So I use the BADESCU Special Cucumber Lotion. So this is what it looks like. What I do is that I shake this. This is available at Urban Outfitters, also in Canada and in the States. So this is $19 Canadian, so it's about 14 or something US. So I take another sponge, and this comes in like a little bottle like this, and I put a little bit like this, and this says to start from the middle of your face and to drag it out. So what I do is I start on my nose, and I don't rub it because I feel it smells a little bit like alcohol, and you can see my skin turn a little red, but don't worry, it does that to me. So this is the BADESCU skincare drying lotion, and it's amazing. And it says in the back of the bottle, do not shake the bottle, but I mean, looking at this like this, I don't know if you could see it properly, but like there's a separation between the water and the pink powder gel at the bottom. And it says to take a cotton swab like this, and I'm gonna put it this way so you could see a little bit. You go in all the way down, and when you come up, you have this. I'm gonna go dab on all the little blemishes I have on my face. the cream you put when you have like chickenpox, literally. But anyway, so this you leave it, and then the next morning, I'm not saying your pimple is gonna be gone. I'm saying it's gonna be shrink. And every time I've used it, at least shrank for maybe half the size it was. I don't have a price on this, but I think this was like $21 or $22 Canadian, so it's about $15 to $16 US. So you could find this also at Urban Outfitters, or you could use it, you could order it online on BADESCU.com. I have very sensitive skin, and sometimes when I try new makeup, my skin gets very irritated. So what I use is this Bioderma cream. You could buy this at the drugstore. This cream is for smoothing, repairing cream, irritated and damaged skin. So this is good for when you get sunburn, for when you have an allergy on your skin, right? And you get all those pimples or all those red marks on your face. So when I try new makeup and I have an allergic reaction, or my skin just reacts, I don't really know if it's like an allergic reaction or if it's just because I have really sensitive skin. This is what I use, and it comes in like a little bottle like this, and you don't have to put a lot. I mean, it's very watery, so like it really spreads well. And I don't rub it all the way. I don't rub until my skin is dry. But I love this. By the next morning, my skin is so much better. And so when I don't have any more of the BADESCU drying lotion, I use this Clearasil deep pore cleansing pad that helps remove acne, visibly reduce pimple size and redness in as little as 4 hours. I never actually tried to see if it was 4 hours, but I know it does work, and I usually use it morning and night. These are little pads. Like, this is what, first of all, it looks like. And these are little pads like this. It's really thin, and these smell, I like the smell. I don't really know what it smells like, but it smells clean. I mean, I'm not gonna put it back. It smells clean, so I love it. So this is my skincare routine now. I look kind of funny, but this is how the video is gonna end. It's nighttime here, so I will be going to bed. And I filmed a lot of new videos today. I filmed about 4 videos today. Yeah, 4 videos. So you'll see a lot of this top in my hair like this throughout the next videos. But I am very excited to show you the next videos. So don't forget to stay tuned on my channel, to subscribe, and to follow me on Instagram and on Twitter. Thank you all for commenting on a lot of my videos and saying that I have beautiful skin and that I'm so pretty and my eyebrows are pretty. I would like to thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to follow me on social medias. Everything will be linked down below. I will put everything that I usually use on my skin also in the description box, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.